Yes, it's day 19 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using DCA for PHT and other meme coins. Alright, so we've already accumulated over 1,500 PHT. We'll be buying more today as usual. So after buying PHT, we also look for another meme coin to buy. Alright, so let's go straight and buy PHT. I'm gonna click on swap, then click on BNB and buy 0.004. Okay, let's see, 0.005. Okay, this time confirm. So that's 72 PHT. Good. So now we just add to what we currently have. So now this is 1,572 PHT. So keep buying like this for the next 90 to 100 days. So now let's look for another meme coin to buy. All right. So actually we're supposed to be adding to our position like some of these meme coins that we've bought in the past, which we ought to be adding to our position. Okay, so I think we will start that very soon. So we might not really look into like we might not be buying other altcoins, meme coins every day. So the ones we already bought, we look at the chart. If it gets to preferred price or level, we do what we buy. So the meme coin we are buying today is Wakanda Ino. So this was a very popular one before. Okay, it was created 3 years ago, 10 months, 22 days ago. So the current market cap is 293. Okay, so the price is down like crazy. Let's check the chart. So I already marked a level. Okay, so there's a demand zone here. Okay, and we can see I just marked the other block here. So the price could potentially get to this level, and I even said in my previous video that we are going to be waiting for the prices to get to this level before we buy. But let's just buy this. Okay, so currently there are more sellers, 31 sellers, 21 buyers. The sellers are more than the buyers right now, and I just copy the contract address and buy like $1 to $2. Okay, so if the price gets to that level, we could decide to buy more. Okay, so I'm gonna click on BNB, swap, and paste. All right, so let's do 0.002. Looks like about $2. Confirm. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it. So till tomorrow. So buy PHT, and if there is a need to buy any other meme coin, we buy. If not, we'll look for any of these and we'll buy. This is Kilo. This is not a meme coin, it's actually an altcoin. So, and if we find any other altcoins to worthy to buy, we buy. So it's not going to be just only meme coin. All right, I hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Until next time, peace out.